Velvet rainfall, hit black leather. Top speed phantom through cold weather. Nightborn rebel, stack ambitions. Pain shaped instincts, got decisions. Chrome exhaust breathing through tunnels. Fast lane hunger, chase huge numbers. Dark cloud floating over towers. Street making built from power. Low base pressure, shake apartments. Wolfgang tactics, move the smartest. Diamond glisten under neon. Lost boy searching for freedom. Long route gliding near coastlines. Deep thoughts hidden behind dark eyes. Velvet rainfall, hit black leather. Top speed phantom through cold weather. Nightborn rebel, stack ambitions. Pain shaped instincts, guide decisions. Chrome exhaust breathing through tunnels. Fast lane hunger, chase huge numbers. Dark cloud floating over towers. Street making built from power. Low base pressure, shake apartments. Wolfgang tactics, move the smartest. Diamond glisten under neon. Lost boys searching for freedom. Long route gliding near coastlines. Deep thoughts hidden behind dark eyes. keep my head low when I walk through the street. Not 'cause I'm weak, I'm just tired of the heat. Everyone judging, don't know what I carry. Pain ain't visible, that's what's scary. I laugh sometimes, but it don't really last. Feels like I'm living too stuck in the past. Had big dreams, yeah, I still kinda do, but they feel distant like someone I knew. I lost time trying to be understood. Now I just stay where it's quiet and good. If I open up, they don't hear it right, so I just write every thought, every night, 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 night. I keep my head low when I walk through the street. Not 'cause I'm weak, I'm just tired of the heat. Everyone judging, don't know what I carry. Pain ain't visible, that's what's scary. I laugh sometimes, but it don't really last. Feels like I'm living too stuck in the past. Had big dreams, yeah, I still kinda do, but they feel distant like someone I knew. I lost time trying to be understood. Now I just stay where it's quiet and good. If I open up, they don't hear it right, so I just write every thought, every night, 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 night. About the body, no way the body. Lane switching in the foreign ride, city blurred on the passenger side. Got success but the hurt still hide. I just learned how to wear my pride. Hands cold gripping the leather wheel. Every scar made the hunger real. I don't cap, I just state what's real. Turn my wounds into platinum bills. Phone keep ringing, I let it die. Too much fake in the other side. I've been up by the stars outside, making moves they can't even find. Diamonds and midnight talks, proper rooms and designer walks. Still got demons that love to stalk, but I silence them when I talk. Made a life they can't imitate. Every step got a bigger weight. Now I'm sitting where legends wait. Cocaine stepping through iron gates. Gate. No sleep. More power. City cold when I step outside. Got my thoughts locked deep inside. Every move clean, never slip, never slide. Stay calm, let the pressure ride. I remember nights I was lost, no pain. Now I see clear, don't play that game. Turn my hurt into fuel, not shame. Now they feel that heat when I say my name. They be talking low, but I hear that tone. I just stay focused, I'm in my zone. Keep my circle small, I stand alone. All that pain made a stronger throne. I don't flex loud, I just keep it real. Built my lane off the way I feel. Now they copy style, but they missed the skill. I was born ready, that's just the deal.
أنا ماشي ليل طويل، ما في صوت غيري قليل.